below. In this video, I will show you how to trade with expert option in Kenya. So in order to trade with them, what you can do is you can just head over to their actual website, which is app.expertoption.com. Then from in there, just head over and then sign up for an account. So you can either go and then just start trading on a real account, or you can also try the demo balance. So from in there, what we can do is you can just head over and then choose in here an investment as well as deal duration. You can either choose from selling or buying. I'll choose in here selling, and let's see in here if we actually earn something. If you're selling, your goal is to actually stay below this. If you're buying, your goal is to stay above that. So it depends on your technique if you will actually earn something. So as you can see right now, it's increasing and now it's decreasing. It's quite unpredictable through this way. So once it's reached the end line, let's just wait for this if we actually earn something. As you can see right here, it's dropping. And as you can see, we have earned money through that case.